Have you ever found yourself juggling multiple crypto wallets, struggling to keep track of your diverse digital assets? It's a common dilemma in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, where new coins and tokens emerge constantly. Managing them across different platforms can be a real headache, leading to confusion and, sometimes, missed opportunities. That's where a versatile, multi-chain wallet like Bifrost Wallet comes into play. Instead of scattering your holdings, imagine a single, secure application that supports a wide array of cryptocurrencies, simplifying your crypto journey. Bifrost Wallet aims to be that solution, offering a streamlined experience for holding, sending, and receiving a variety of digital assets. So, what coins are actually supported by Bifrost Wallet? Let's dive in. Bifrost Wallet is designed to be a comprehensive, self-custodial wallet, putting you in full control of your private keys and assets. It provides extensive support for several major blockchains and their native cryptocurrencies, ensuring you can manage a significant portion of your portfolio within one app. At its core, Bifrost Wallet supports foundational cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, the undisputed king of crypto, and Ethereum, ETH, the powerhouse behind countless decentralized applications and tokens. This immediately covers a vast segment of the crypto market. Beyond these giants, Bifrost Wallet also has robust support for XRP, known for its focus on fast and low-cost international payments. This is a crucial addition for many users interested in efficient cross-border transactions. Where Bifrost Wallet truly shines is its commitment to the Flare and Songbird ecosystems. It offers extended native support for Flare, FLR, and Songbird, SGB, including unique features like wrapping, unwrapping, and delegation directly within the wallet. This makes it an ideal choice for anyone deeply involved with these networks and their emerging DeFi opportunities. But the support doesn't stop there. Bifrost Wallet embraces the multi-chain future by integrating with various other popular EVM-compatible blockchains. This includes Polygon, Matic, known for its scalable solutions for Ethereum, Optimism, ETH, and Arbitrum, ETH, leading Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solutions, and BNB Smart Chain, BNB, a prominent network for decentralized applications. You'll also find support for Phantom, FTM, and XDC, XDC. In a recent expansion, Bifrost Wallet also integrated Dogecoin, Doge, and Litecoin, LTC. This move is particularly exciting as it paves the way for these assets to be used in decentralized finance on the Songbird and Flare networks, especially with the upcoming facets, which are synthetic assets unlocking DeFi opportunities for non-EVM blockchains. This means you can manage your BTC, Doge, and LTC and prepare them for seamless interaction with DeFi protocols on Flare and Songbird. Furthermore, Bifrost Wallet supports a wide range of ERC20 tokens issued on the supported Ethereum-compatible blockchains. This means popular stablecoins like Tether, USDT, and USD Coin, USDC, are fully supported, along with many other decentralized finance, DeFi, tokens, utility tokens, and even NFTs. If you hold a token issued on a supported blockchain like Ethereum, Flare, or Songbird, you can easily add it as a custom token if it doesn't appear automatically. In essence, Bifrost Wallet aims to be your go-to solution for a diverse crypto portfolio, offering a secure and user-friendly experience across multiple blockchains and a growing list of assets. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.